This is my friend the waterfowl. You can see I used to feed her every day. She's awesome. It's up on the fence there. Look at the size of her legs and beautiful purple looking bluey colours and red crest on her head. She can span, that's a 2-foot span. That was so cool. And she sits on the fence and she just jumps down. Oh, waterfowl? Would you like some bread? You want a bit of bread? Alright, here, let me come out. I'm going to come out. I'll get a bit for you. Hello? Look, here's some bread. There you go. I'll come back with some more. Want some more? Oh. He'll come back. Maybe I should pause it.
Pause it, that's a good idea.
You want some more, buddy? Yeah. There you go. Here you go. There's some more here. Yes, you're amazing how you eat, aren't you? In your prehistoric legs. There you go. Wow. You're amazing. You got huge feet. Yes, you have. Your feet are as big as mine. Here you go. Have a bit more, buddy. Right in front of the camera. Yeah, there's still some more here. You can have it. It's alright. How are you going now? Alright. See ya. That's all.